Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
Crime.
Nicholas George. Last name George.
Come on in,
Nicholas
Mr. George.
Nicholas. Yes.
We are on the record in BU 2025 TR 198, State of Kansas versus Nicholas Jean George. Jared Regier for the state. Are you Nicholas Jean George?
Yes,
And how old are you, Mr. George?
I am 18.
18 years old. Well, traffic law in Kansas considers that to be an adult if you're going to take on that adult activity. But if you have a parent nearby because you are 18, if you want them to be nearby, I would not prohibit that. Do you
Okay.
have an attorney?
I do have
Mr.
one.
I have grandma. Grandma's
Grandma?
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
For the record, what is grandma's name?
Trisha Avila. TRICIA AVILA.
1L?
Yes.
All right. Now, Miss Avila, I'm letting you be here with him because he's 18, but he is an adult, so he does need to represent himself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. George, do you have an attorney today?
I do not.
Do you want to have an attorney? You can hire an attorney, or you can apply for court appointed if you don't think you can afford an attorney.
No attorney.
No.
All right. Now, again, Grandma said no, and so then you said no. This has got to be your decision because you're the legal adult.
Mhm.
You are charged with driving without insurance, which is a Class B misdemeanor crime. It carries a fine of at least $300 plus court costs of $108 and a possible jail sentence up to 6 months. And because you're 18, you could serve that in jail with adult inmates. Knowing that, you still wish to waive an attorney?
No.
All
Oh,
right.
no attorney.
You still want no attorney, even though there's the potential for jail time up to 6 months.
Yes.
All right. Do you want a minute to talk to your grandma?
Their attorney's not going to help him. He was driving with no proof of insurance.
All right,
And-
Grandma, the attorney would say, don't be saying that until the trial, and only then he may not let you say it at trial.
Yeah.
You just make, okay. All right. If you're bound and determined you're going to waive your right to an attorney, deputy, have him fill out that form.
That's your signature?
Yeah. Not really that great, but can we do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, give it a signature. You're going to find out that does not work.
All right. Now, my computer screen says attempted driving without insurance. I think that's one of those computer glitches when maybe KHP or one of the officers put that in there. This is not an alleged attempt, Mr. Regier. This is an actual allegation that he was driving without insurance. Is that correct?
With all due respect, Your Honor, it would appear a notice for correction was filed with the court on May 29th of this year.
And I see your actual charging document, January 16th, says no proof. So I don't know how that needs to get corrected in the computer. I never know who has to do it, but I think we're good. I think you've taken care of it. All right. So how do you want to plead, Mr. George? You can plead guilty, admitting the charge, and we'll proceed to sentencing. The attorney could tell you about the civil effects that would have on your license and filing SR 22s every month for a period of time. He could tell you about diversion. You might be able to apply for diversion, which is a process the county attorney offers, and how it could end up in a dismissal and kept off your record.
We're going to talk about that.
Yeah, that one.
Well, are you going to want an attorney to talk to you about all these options? I'm giving you more than what I necessarily have to. Have you changed your mind? You want to talk to an attorney?
Yes.
All right.
No,
so
you don't want to talk to
All
her.
right.
No.
No.
Grandma, you're not an attorney, are you?
I'm leaving. I'll be good.
And Your Honor,
Being kicked out.
No attorney.
Your Honor,
Yes.
with all due respect, the state would have it noted on the record that if the court is going to continue conducting hearings in this fashion, the state does have concerns about judicial economy and timely administration of justice if the court is going to allow non-parties to actions to speak on the record.
All right. So you're chastising me for letting grandma be in the room with this guy and the dad on the other one. That is noted, Mr. Regier. Your point is well taken, and I'll take it under advisement. What I will do at future hearings and whether I will allow it is yet to be seen, but thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. George, back to you and the matter at hand. I want to clarify once and for all, do you or do you not want an attorney? You've waived the counsel. I could say, well, you're stuck with that. You waived counsel, proceed. But I'm trying to look at this individually and make sure you know what you're doing when you waive your right to counsel. And I'm still not satisfied that even though grandma said waive your right to counsel, that was your decision or that you knew the impact of it. So do you, as an individual, want to talk to an attorney about different options that might be to your best interest?
No.
So you want to proceed without an attorney, even though I've told you an attorney could help you maybe even get this dismissed.
Yes.
And are you saying this just because grandma said that initially?
No.
You're doing this because you're an adult and this is what you want to do?
Yes.
Do you want to recess to talk to your grandma about this before we
No.
go any further? All right. And you've read and signed the waiver of counsel form in front of you?
Yes.
And you don't want to look into diversion?
No.
No, he's gonna look into.
Yeah.
Yes, you're looking into diversion. You don't need an attorney.
All right, Grandma, you said
I
you were
just
going
don't
to be
know,
good. Grandma, you said you're going to be good and leave, and you didn't. Young man,
Well,
She did. She went to the hallway, but
the
she
hallway's
still,
locked, doesn't have the door
she
shut.
still
I
was,
understand. I understand.
I think he does.
I'm just getting confused. I just
I
don't.
think he is a little confused. I think he does want to apply for a diversion. But
All right. But he
Yeah.
doesn't have to have, okay, well, you don't have to have an attorney to apply for diversion, but there may be some better options out there that you can talk to an attorney about. I'm going to accept your waiver at this point. I'm going to set this over to another date for status control. All right, so let's set this over to let's put it on a Monday just in case he does come up with an attorney, Destiny.
Okay, Your Honor, that would be December 1st then.
December 1st at 9 a.m. you have to be back here or on Zoom. Now, if you want to go down and talk to the county attorney about diversion, or if you want to go to their website and look at it, what's your website? BU for Butler County, BUCOKS.com. Look for the diversion and see if you qualify, because you have to qualify for it. Then you have to agree to the terms, and if you do agree and complete the terms, then they agree that they'll dismiss the charges against you. And it would be a good way to keep your record clean. And as young as you are, there's lots of advantages to that too, civilly for insurance and other purposes. But Mr. George, you need to make sure you know what you're doing and that you're doing it of your own free will, because again, for the zillionth time, you're an adult. I'm going to continue the $1,000 surety bond that you or someone posted for you June 19th of 2025. The added condition is this: you either, if you're going to hire an attorney, where did he go? There he is. If you're going to hire an attorney, you have that attorney with you December 1st at 9 a.m. If you're going to apply for court appointed, you get the application back, get it today before you leave and get it back to the court before that date. Or if you're going to apply for diversion, you get that application in this week, don't wait to court and try to say I'm applying for diversion, because there's no guarantee you're going to get any extra time.
Okay.
If you are looking at a serious charge and you don't, that can have all kinds of issues as a result of it, and you want to make sure you know what you're doing. All right, are you clear on that?
Yes.
Do you have any questions before you go?
No.
All right, take that application just in case you want to apply for an attorney. Deputy can get it to you.
Gave it to
Yeah.
him.
And you can ask the county attorney down the hall if they have any diversion paperwork, but I think they're going to say you have to do it all online, so go to the website.
Sure.
But whatever you do, come back to court December 1st at 9 a.m. or a warrant will issue. And you are on bond. You'll probably lose your bond money, and hot rod bail bonds will be after you for that $1,000. So, all right, you may go, sir.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.